Well, you will recall I made a statement that the way and manner the defense has been carrying on with this matter is to introduce all manner of dilatory tendencies in the defense. Like when they said we didn't give them enough documents, we didn't give them this, we didn't give them that, and we had to adjourn. But today they came up with a video that they said they wanted to play, a video which for all intents and purposes has no bearing whatsoever with the case before the court. A copy of that video was served on us while we were in court. But we need to show leadership. We need to show maturity. We need to show industry. And so we allowed the thing to go in. But we told the court that under no circumstance are we going to allow them to ambush us by introducing all these frivolous documents and videos without giving us prior notice. And so we made it clear that if they have any other thing they want to introduce in the course of their defense or further cross-examination of our witness, they should afford us an advance copy of the documents or the video. That's exactly what happened. Yes. Yes, because strictly speaking, this is not a matter that we should waste time on. Very, very simple and straightforward matter. Very, very simple and straightforward. But they requested for an adjournment, and I kept saying that every opportunity must be given to all the parties, but the opportunity must not be unreasonable. So far, I want to say with every sense of responsibility that very, very reasonable opportunities has been afforded the parties by the court. So the adjournment against Wednesday, 4th of February, is all right by us. We consider to it. Yes.
Thank you.
Thank you.